Any blog website, how to using by robot.txt option. How to using robot.txt option. First of all, any blog website, what is the purpose of robot.txt file? One is called allow and disallow URL by on particular search engine option. Not only for URL, for images, videos, for your particular image option and image links. So video is not there, only for links, and we can create by the image, we can disable by the your search engine results for not ranking for particular website links and images for using by robot.txt. So how to implement by your blog website? Simple, that is called go to your blogger dashboard. Option call is setting. In the settings, the option call is search preference. In this option call is custom robot.txt. Now click for edit. In this click for yes. Which is you can enable, which is your disable. Everything you can add in by your code. So how to add the code? So I'll show you here. These are the syntax. So any allow or any disallow, particular link, particular image name. This is nothing but URL string not be crawled by where search engine results page, Google or Bing, any search engine results page. How to allow? Simple. Copy the URL. So you have one question. So how to generate by XML sitemap your blogger? Blogger, anything will generate by XML sitemap, always default. So how to check? Before updating for robot.txt, you can updating for sitemap.xml. You have to check. It automatically generated by your blogger. Custom will be not possible by XML sitemap on your blogger website. Only robot.txt will be possible by the free blogger website. So select here, copy the option. Why? Because I'm not disallow any URL, any images. I allow the complete on my blogger. Select it, update, click for save changes. Any spelling mistakes, any capital will be missing. The robot.txt will be facing problem. After updating, how to check? Same will be website .com/robots.txt. Updating file here. Is clear? Any update is a successful be submitted or not? We'll check option is called here. This will be updated by robot.txt. Without robot.txt, we can't check indexing process on your particular website. It's a very key role play for your website to search engine crawling. Does not crawling purpose used by the robot.txt. This is updated by your blogger website.